margins are getting thinner and thinner and also more competition. So we need to diversify. But it was also on the flip side, the consumer had this demand that wasn't being filled, right? And so we saw the two come together.
Yeah.
And I think for a long time, we thought consumer wouldn't even want a lot of those kind of things. But as over the last 5 years, especially as everything picked up around 2020 and onward with retail trading, I think that demand is really starting to fill in. Is that what you've seen as well?
Yeah, look, I agree with you. And I think there's another really interesting call out, Michael, because you touched on it there. And that is, if I was 20 years old 10 years ago and I started on the share trading app doing small trades, let's say I was reasonably successful, but I kept contributing money in, and I'm now 30, right? I've grown up. I've probably got a bigger job. I've got a bigger income, but I've stayed on that share trading app. So the trick for the share trading app now is I don't want to lose that customer that might have started with $10,000 that's now got $500,000, maybe more. So they almost need to reinvent themselves as a place where that customer with now a significant amount of money, without losing them to maybe a private wealth advisor, private bank, wherever they might go, they want to keep them on that journey. So when we talk to some of our customers today, they've started now to really think about how they stop those bigger customers from leaving, because for obvious reasons, you don't want them to leave. They're now your top tier clients. But the interesting thing with that is the customer who started with a small balance, who now has a big balance, they probably don't want to leave the app either. They've enjoyed being in the app. They're quite loyal to the app. They enjoy being self-directed. And you see them then looking perhaps for more content, which is what you start to see. It could be research, it could be education type programs and so on.